Hello, my name is Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today we'll be discussing how to fix sliding shower doors. One of the most common problems with shower doors is they fall off. They also kind of grind across when the wheels wear out. Another thing that might happen is it might be a little unlevel, which causes one side to be lower than the other. I'm going to show you how to fix that. For this job, you're going to need a couple tools. A screwdriver. I like to use the 5-in-1. That way I have my flathead and Phillips head in the same screwdriver. A standard pair of pliers and an old rag. You also might need to pick up some new wheels for your shower door. You can get these at most hardware stores. As you see, here's our problem. The track has caused the top piece of metal to be bent out of shape. Go ahead and take your wheel off using your screwdriver. Now, take your rag, place it over the top piece of metal. Using your pliers, slowly bend it back into place. It might take you a couple times to make sure that you get it good and straight. The reason we use the rag is so that we don't scar the metal with the pair of pliers. Now, you can see that we've gotten it good and straight. Go ahead and take your wheel and put it back on. Now that we have our wheel back on, we're going to go ahead and put it back into place on the track. You might have to adjust the height of the wheels to make sure that you get a good level track. Now that we got our shower door back on, let's go ahead and make sure it's smoothed. This one looks good. I'm Josh with Lighty Contractors, and that's how you fix sliding shower doors.